Me don't go buy a fish with scale already, and this man look for me and say, don't buy the scale fish them. I know him out here look like him a suffer. And cut up them here. It's when I go home back, I beg you please continue to watch the video. Because I realize that Jamaica vlog on the love. Police look have a dance.
I can't drink.
Popping police then, right?
Irish Town and we van. That got a week.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Boy, I'm just going to vlog. I'm not going to no intro. I'm not going to no ending. I'm not going to nothing. I told me just a vlog. You know, I'm like, I don't know when at the beginning and when at the end of one vlog. I swear, it just keep going and right now at this point, I need to stop because my phone full, and I don't nobody to help me edit. I'm gonna edit fast enough because, like I said, I'm new to the thing. And I teach myself to edit while I teach myself to do the editing, you know what I mean? So it's kind of rough. It's rough, but anyway, let me turn on this TV. Tomorrow is my YouTube promotion party. For those who don't know, as you can see, I just join YouTube. And when I take my community people, them know I join YouTube. So I tell myself, I go, when I reach Jamaica, I will keep on looking party, but the barrel takes so long for come here. So it end up pushed back way until, because I'm leaving like in 2 days time. So I'm going to do the party tomorrow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry down some more liquor and some stuff for cook some food. And we'll go pop in today and buy fish and pork, so and agate and chicken. And chicken food. So I'm going to buy some for cook. Buy some stuff for cook. So we're going to just dip on the corner tomorrow, cook some food and you know, have a little chill vibes. So right now, it's going to be out there so I can get the fish then, man. I'm sure no one going. Oh, I say my body pain up. That stage show last night till daylight. I jump up and I go on the most. I'm not sleep as every minute, I'm not sleep. Wait them, can't work. So when I reach but me I have to go work some money and buy one tablet, because when I'm telling you that the editing is a struggle without the tablet. Hold on, because I can't see nothing. Yeah man, it's a struggle. Oh! Me not for vlog, yeah, why?
No, with the fish.
Yes, no, you can't tell me if I vlog. If you want to tell me enough for vlog him and him know when him tell me don't vlog him, I go vlog him.
Jesus.
A scale, a scale fish. A fish, a scale, and the one look cute. Hi, Nisi. Boy, you sis, me don't go buy a fish with scale already.
That me can't take with your mouth.
Me don't go buy a fish with scale already, and this man look for me and say, don't buy the scale fish them. I know him out here look like him a suffer.
Why you not see this year coming?
And no fish left in there?
No.
And what kind of fish again? Grunt? A grunt?
Something like that. I don't know.
I think it's called grunt. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Yeah. And I send my sister about 3 hours now for go pick up the agate and I'll know. I'm not going to do with agate, you say?
I walk up that there. You would?
Yeah. Him say I come debone it tonight.
So never buy debone.
Cause then just call the girl who kill pig or whatever and she say she have one agate with 30 pounds. I told me the one but she only have one. But after debone it not really have no use. A little bit of meat that after. Me ask them why them have to debone again. Why can't just cook, chop up and cook with the bone?
You mad?
Why? Where the bone though? Too tough?
can eat them big old and the teeth and they sitting there like, no,
Oh no, like the teeth that I go, but so if you're gonna town, gonna get the things in for the soup. So we just there prep. So when them come with the rest of stuff, them show no. This fly. Put the light in my phone. When they come with the rest of stuff, them show no. I go, alright, peace. Say bye, Emma. So what kind of fat may I bring to him? I don't know. Ask Birdie. So guys, we'll chop up them here now for curry. So we'll chop them up like this size. Yeah, and then I have 2 pieces of pork. And if I pork like them here, I don't but 2 pieces of pork, we're gonna jerk them here. Them say Boogie leave the key on the veranda or somewhere, I'm not sure. I don't know.
Upstairs, look upstairs.
We have to fish them, it could be just clean.
So is that them up there?
Put them high because, but I don't know where I put them. If I cat them still, I can't go out there.
Is that them up there?
Yeah.
So not tell them make
what no one ever, when they eat them there, brother?
No, me eat them. You think what you think you're there up a hotel? You throw a chicken back, chicken wing.
Can't put them in the mic. What should them there?
What make? If him hype.
And I, but when they eat them something there. That's why no Morgan fuck son.
So that bone
No, what?
are the best part of the chicken.
Best part.
Chicken back there something.
Chicken batty have to eat. Yeah, something wrong with you.
Look at the Scooby.
Go feed for me.
Scooby say me chicken but.
Me a vlog.
No man.
So we'll jerk this off.
Anything you want, what you want.
Yeah, jerk more than jerk. And then we'll curry this. And the soup and the fish steam. That's it. Yeah, I like it. Subscribe. Good. Make sure you like them when you watch them, okay?
Of course.
And comment to and share. Oh, and that I think I said we don't know who is who. Me.
Just don't do the fish.
But what, you don't need PayPal for gift. Me don't use PayPal for gift.
No, but I just talk, man.
Oh, Ross.
Talk about that.
Talk about
it. I prioritize what I'm passing. Just ask if they have PayPal.
Yeah. What for do?
I keep insisting on buying this and that.
Get the what? I'm forget the key from Scooby. What part of Boogie there? When Boogie come, we get the key from him. She said somebody give back to Boogie.
I can't believe I'm punking and I change it on 250 a pound.
Chocolate.
Tell him to don't tell if we're there. Might as well get the puppy though. What a big size pumpkin that man. That's not good.
3 pound of pumpkin back and you're going to fish.
Yeah. Then just have to blend up some of that and season the pork. Some of this.
Curry with the
Yeah.
ginger in there.
You don't care at the powder season them, Scooby?
Yeah.
That's the juice them when you left down the road.
So them money are chefing us.
What's
You tell them how to cook Spanish rice. So now put this in. Oh, what this should I go and cut off the foot off of them, you know? And cut up them, yeah. We definitely need Boogie for come with the pot them, cause we don't never go. Never try this rather.
You mean 3?
3 bag of that.
It's 3 pound, yeah, 3 pound this.
Oh.
This is the 1 pound.
Oh, that should do. Come here, put one of the. We don't put one of them in the pasta.
You can put some in there. Ah, you know.
Woman on the kitchen scissors. I'm going to cut off them here. I mean, because I want to look aboard them of this.
Then chop up the chicken in
So Scooby, put the chicken in the bucket now and make we go wash it. You just chop it up and leave it so.
Wash out the bucket, man.
Carry that over there, go give him. You could eat. Carry the chicken. You're so fucking lazy. Jesus Christ.
I'll me tell the man take up the bucket. You have to come tell me take up the chicken.
So you want to pick up the bucket and the chicken one time? You want him come back and you stand up and say not nothing? Virgin, your laziness is on a different level, man. You notice?
Yeah, man, the feet, man.
Who lazy?
You! I'm not with it. Oh,
Dark in there. They can have
dark.
I'm lazy now.
Definitely. The vinegar?
Yeah.
Wash it off first and then you use the vinegar again.
You chew some of the pot and screw, but you got them more skin.
How long the season is, sir?
Yeah, we have to season it. I tell us that we need to blend up some. The blender upstairs?
That's all you want to blend up to. You put some garlic and pepper on that
And that's it.
and some powder.
And the powder seasoning.
Tomorrow then put the onion and scallion and add to it.
Okay, man.
Yeah, that's put powder seasoning tonight.
I'm more listening and you throw the water out of that.
You've always something good in the beef.
I'm holding it. Scooby stuff, where's the chicken? You already did a show one. Alright, style and style. Bomba! Can't do the vinegar now. Scooby stop, where's the chicken? One more drop out a while ago. No. Yes. Hmm? Huh? Can see it in a bucket and cover it up. Just turn back the cover the next way now. Turn the next way to hold them better. What the man?
Scoop it out in the pot.
I let me say, because like how the last one now.
Lift it out, liquid.
So that you get rid of them fat they want me to see. Come and wash it off. Alright, go on. So it's drain off the water properly now?
So we're not putting back in the beef? Are you with it up in? You have to drink that and you with it.
Come here and wash off whatever your water you take out of the bucket. You know what I'm seeing, Sophia?
You take a photo
Prepare the chicken foot.
Bumbo, one gone.
See, I saw it go here. It's all the game. Wash off, chop and wash off again now.
Yeah.
You know we have to do it, so now that's me. Go.
You have coffee pot, brother? Yes or no?
I'm not asking you, ask him. You only love ask, look at these things too much. First I wash the pork like a clothes.
Quite pretty, man.
Fat, you know?
Yeah. Okay, I will nice, man. Understand what? What would you understand?
What? Wait, so you don't know what the things in there?
Give me the seasoning. Yeah.
Garlic and ginger.
Come take out on garlic out of this. No, man. Hey, what is here, man?
The bag there, sir. Take out the something.
So why am I giving me this one? Give me a bucket.
Go be a chef in there to want to see it. I'm not season my pork, though. No pork to me on this. See me?
Use the salt buckle and crush them. Just open them.
No, you have a shredding garlic? Give me shredding garlic. You have a shredder in there?
Like the grater. Some pimento there upstairs. Smell good.
I want more than that.
So where you get more from? So what?
Pinana pimento seed, I look from pimento leaves.
Yeah, that time.
Which part that there? One tree. They open what's in there again?
That's the thing.
Okay, what's in there for that?
Nice 500. Please don't put it on the phone yet. I come like.
The garlic in this already?
Yeah. what we do now? Take out some more tacky one and just cut it back, throw back in it.
Throw back in it.
I don't have 2 minutes right now. Put the rest of it and wash it.
Put the money in it.
I vinegar more scoop like this.
Vinegar the see the right there so.
Cup and scoop it. One I wash my cup.
I'm going to be able to come over. All this
I'll drink one of them tonight.
The problem is back here the plastic.
Oh, man.
You can't find what other plastic there.
Nah, drink the beer mother come over.
You must drink it, man. Wait till the baby mother come over.
One my plastic. But now they are calling me carrying. Carry on.
Our pot. No.
Go for this one.
You find the brush?
Oh, boy, you see them mix it there. I can't hold another little sink here.
What
the fuck people there?
face where you're doing. Well, your face, now try to do your face. Now it's ready for the oven.
Damn!
Fine.
Well, listen.
And she's covered for 30. This is on.
It's on 250. Let me tell you this. I don't live in Jamaica. I live in the United States of America.
Oh, look up there.
It's when we go home back, me I beg you to please continue to watch the video. Because I realize that Jamaica vlog gonna love. I don't live here. I still want the support when I go back to America, okay? Please and thank you. Okay. What else I tell you now? What else I tell you? What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to the vlog. I talked to you a little bit before I reached down the road in that nice, yeah? Because I'm already no copyright. But as you guys know, today is my YouTube promotion party. I eat on the scene at the beginning of the vlog. I eat with you, I get ready for. So, yeah, I'm just go down the road now and go and catch a piece of it. See if I can run up the subscription a little bit, you know, because we need the, we need the subscribers then, right? But anyway, to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Thank you and welcome to the family. You guys are gonna love it over here. Okay? But anyway, this is a cute little outfit for today. Just a cute little white dress from Shein. Check it out. But yeah, now going there nice now, so sooner or later.
Joy was like medicine. I had been hoping and praying and wishing to find a girl like you. See this thing. reflection. The mirror say right now.
Yes, subscribe to the channel yet?
No,
I don't see you. Why?
subscribe. I'm so subscribe. Look out for me. Eh?
No, you subscribe now.
Alright, no, we have to go for Tony.
Kayan, too cute. Right now. One word.
Tony for the page.
Now you subscribe yet? You subscribe yet? To my YouTube channel. Kayan, too cute. One word. Kayan, too cute. COO, cute. One word. Go ahead, subscribe right now.
Right, tell you what,
Yes, I do. Once you go from YouTube, all of my rest of information in there. TikTok, Instagram, the whole works there. Not WhatsApp. Not WhatsApp.
Turn it up.
Alright, yes.
No, we are going to see what's happening in the vlog, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, go on, what's up, guys? No, yeah.
Right.
If you put in a tea, then go to the like breadfruit. I tell you, I will go look good. I remember you're nice already.
Me not put in
ugly.
when you reach up in that age, you know something.
Yeah, man.
My teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, the blood clot there, them not gonna read it and say, BB, them are nice front teeth. That night and you like chicken. You're mad. You're gonna kill this
Every day we tell you something in my mouth. Bottom and chair.
One thing the man can say, she dead with a good blood clot pussy. Bumper clot. Not the jiggle.
Can't be happy there.
Not the blood clot jiggle.
Already ready for
I'm more better than a pussy. That's not a teeth, a gum.
Oh my God.
4 bottom and chair top. Oh.
Boy, give me a minute. I want to repeat.
to me, it's something Harry. Him knows the other money made that blood clot.
Them know that. Oh. Me chat no for me no want to fall sick drop out of my mouth.
Last time I see a white drop out, I must be told.
Yeah, well up. Whenever I swear silver, I mean
Birdie.
subscribe to the channel. KN2Q.
Can always cute.
Okay, well the channel is KN2Q.
Yeah, but can always cute.
I know.
Okay,
Subscribe, okay?
okay, my darling.
I'm dead ass.
No, man, look at them put that. No.
Okay?
Alright. For what?
I didn't eat that man, but too much pressure. Every time me go, the pressure nah man. So then can't get the milk.
Boss girl, hear me I tell you. Fuck teeth. When you have a nice one and your man comfortable with that. Fuck
Listen me now, you have enough girl have good one.
man, people, let me-
Wine for back it.
Comfort.
Comfort.
Alright.
Good one now.
Yes. Comfort.
Okay, good.
Baby, bigger.
Where? Every hole too big, you're edging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be serious. Beep himself, you wanna go to edge.
Right now, I fuck girl in my lead.
All the edges go. Beep. All the good. All the
I fuck girl in my lead. Comfort in a pussy, that's
Then
the
I
man
say, bro, man, they not talk about the time.
Maga girl, man, I feel edging.
They want comfort.
all the comfort.
That's not comfort. You see, fat girl, beep beep. Fat girl, yo.
Beep beep. Beep beep run.
One beep beep.
Beep. Man, I need to know so me get my clothes already, you know.
memory, you know?
Yeah, try for winning it.
Look at the thing now.
I cannot drink. All sort of people.
Popping police, right?
Irish town and we van. Be quick and fast. The one you beard and clean. Very clean. The one that sit down drinking sturdy. She drunk hour.
Tired.
Irish town.
I got a week. 1 o'clock Lincoln I eat it in mouth, he not get no fork. I'll put this one Lincoln. Good push, Sherman. Well, I don't know for angle it, you know.
Hey, look on the camera. Smile. It's ugly, sir. The angle ain't no bird.
Yeah, me if I hold it down too much. To catch your faces and so.
Use this. This angle it. This move it round. This you use that for adjust it when you want to.
Yeah, I know. All when you tell me that I'm not gonna remember by reaching this so.
Let's go, sir. Yeah.
Don't zoom it. Just leave it at an angle and then put it in the middle.
People go drop on their nose. People go drop on their nose.
Alright. Sister. Yeah, so. Sister. Drop my son. So it go. Up I van up yourself. You see her? You see her?
Stairs.
We're right behind up on the way. The youth in orange tired there. I want really have one. It lock off.
You don't want to talk to my ears.
Huh? No, hear me a shoe. Hey, mom, make him lock it off. Mama can go urinal.
Yeah, I really like all the music, we still enjoy ourselves singing.
Oh, so are the chatting make the police lock it up then too enough.
Yeah?
The chatting. No, I will leave at night. I wait for them again. I win that shot one time. Most of them attack one time. Guys,
Yeah, let's know everything. This weird shit going on.
Police look at the dance.
Honestly.
Our out here just a chill and a chat. I sound funny. I'm probably drunk. I am probably drunk. Alright, not probably, yeah. Oh yeah.
something then.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. I mean, not hairstyle run left me. I mean, we're the youngest girl hairstyle. Not all of my hairstyle.
Up in it.
I know, you know.
Run through. What you doing that?
You're blind. I mean, mix it all young people. Just have manners.
And everybody love you.
And all of them.
Everybody.
You can't feed them.
And everybody, right, true.
Just don't disrespect me.
Hello.
True. Alright, me gonna see you tomorrow, bigger. You go, bigger. Tomorrow you go want something. You go want something at river tomorrow, bigger. No, guess what? February y'all call me. Y'all call me February. Oh, you're rich now. You're rich. Only take it fast. Only catch it quick. Let's tear off the lick, man, right? When I eat fish, all me, I tell a fish. What are we end of your Shana? What you today? Yeah. Try, come on. Get away, move. Oh my God. Eh? But Omar, you have sprat inside? You have sprat in the fridge?
No.
Every evening you go catch fish?
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, man, jump up here, man.
No, you know no water, man. Your body no water. Come keep it. See, man.
That's slippery, that's not hold him.
No, say it's slippery, man.
Oh my God. I'm going to punch up palm blood cloud. Tired. Whew. What's up, my beautiful, lovely, gorgeous cuties? How y'all doing? May I try to go up my ear? The road rough, but I'm tired. May I go home? Go get some. Hold on there. May I go get some sleep? May I leave tomorrow? Not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. I'm leaving Thursday. So I'm sad. For one, I'm sad because I feel like I only Jamaican vlog them when I go like. I don't know. I don't nobody a foreign except for my daughter. My mom live in the United States too, but my mom like work far out. But no, I said she anyway. Sorry, mom. And my daughter, she's 19. She don't want to be around me. She don't want to be around me, so it's just gonna be me
And when I feel like when I go and see me, you know what I mean? I am gonna be taking trips as much as I possibly can, because of course this is like, who's that? Who that? Me can't see it. With the light here and with you, me can't see. Zillion? Yeah. Oh my god. Bro, you scared me, yo. So like me I say, I am going to be taking trips and stuff like that. And well, I'm going to try to be, because remember, girl work 2 jobs in America. Like, me now can't do it like that. So, like I'm saying, I'm scared to leave Jamaica, because I feel like, say, I'm not being trusted no more. You know? Why you stalking my life, nigga? What's wrong with him? What you want?
Come go to bed.
I don't want to sleep. I don't want to sleep. I literally have like a day leave, and then I feel like my subscriber them now go watch my channel no more, because them start watch when me in Jamaica. Anyway, I'm just ranting. But you call it when people just chat. I feel like I'm just doing that. The key? May I have the key? I think Jarvis have the key. Hi, Zidane. Zidane just big. Jesus. The pot left one?
No, that's one.
Oh.
That.
Guys, this is my nephew. You see him big on me? My brother Pitney.
Look at there.
Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna find something to eat, because my man I'm gonna eat. Just a drink beer foolishness. And the table for go upstairs back. Alright guys, bye, peace. Bye cuties, I love y'all.